WHE took oath as the pro tem Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha. Bhartrihari Mahatab, who inaugurated fast-track immigration trusted traveller facility at Indira Gandhi International Airport. Home Minister Amit Shah. India has recently announced to start e-medical visa facility for the citizens of which country? Bangladesh. In which state will the world's first conservation center for red-headed vultures be established? Uttar Pradesh. Who will be the next Deputy Chief of Indian Army? N.S. Raja Subramani, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEG of Sony Pictures Networks India. Gaurav Banerjee, who has been recently appointed as the new Secretary of TARIL. Atul Kumar Chaudhary. India has announced to open a new consulate in which country? Bangladesh, who has been appointed as the pro tem Speaker of Lok Sabha recently? Bhartrihari Mahatab. When is World Refugee Day celebrated every year? 20th June. What is the theme of International Yoga Day 2024? Yoga for Self and Society. Which United Nations organization has appointed British actor Theo James as Global Goodwill Ambassador? UNHCR. When is World Music Day celebrated every year? 21st June. With whom has the Government of India signed a loan agreement to improve the health sector? Asian Development Bank. In which city did PM Narendra Modi participate in the program under International Yoga Day 2024? Srinagar. In which country is the BRICS Games 2024 being organized? Russia. What is the theme of World Refugee Day 2024? For a world where refugees are. The Union Cabinet has approved the Vadhavan port. In which state will it be built? Maharashtra. What is the theme of International Yoga Day 2024? Yoga for Self and Society. Who has become the second fastest bowler to take 100 wickets in T20 International? Sandeep Lamichhane, who was the famous historian and writer who died recently? P. Thankappan Nair, who has been recently appointed as Delhi MC Commissioner. Ashwini Kumar. In which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate the Nalanda University campus? Bihar. For which crops has the Union Cabinet recently increased the MSP? Kharif. Who won the gold medal in the men's javelin event at the Puo Nurmi Games 2024 athletics meet? Neeraj Chopra. Which two ministries signed and more for Krishi Sakhi certification program? Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Ministry of Rural Development. With which bank has the Ministry of External Affairs signed on more for Migrate SBI? David Wies has announced his retirement from international cricket. He played for which country? Namibia. What is the rank of India in the recently released Environmental Performance Index 2024? 176. Which country will host the first multinational air exercise Taranga Shakti? India, who is the first bowler to bowl all 4 maiden overs in a T20 World Cup match? Lockie Ferguson. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India cancelled the license of which cooperative bank? Purvanchal Cooperative Bank. Where did PM MOC release the 17th installment of PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana? Varanasi. One and which state did the Kanchenjunga Express train accident occur? West Bengal.